Hi, I didn't saw that anyone on YouTube posted a video about what S9 and S9 Plus, Galaxy S9 Plus get with the brand new Android Pie, brand new Android version. So I decided to do that. I took 10 photos in photo mode and in scene optimizer mode. This scene optimizer mode is something like artificial intelligence. It will automatically adjust the picture. So we'll see these two photos and you decide which photo is better. This photo is auto mode, photo mode. This is with scene optimizer. We can see the difference. So it's up to you to decide which photo is better and is it better. For me, I'll choose this with scene optimizer. But scene optimizer isn't always better. Another two pictures, this and this. We can see here that this picture with scene optimizer is much darker. And it has more details. But everyone are different and everyone love under photos. Let's get third. These two photos are almost same but on first look, but on second look we can see that leaves are really bright here, but here are darker and I think near the human eye. But not everyone eye is the same. We have these two actually, but this photo with scene optimizer is much better by my opinion. It's darker. Every picture with scene optimizer is darker, but I think that is better to be darker and with much better saturation and much better colors. This photo with photo mode is somehow not bright, not good at all. And the last two pictures, this one and this one. Here also we can see that this picture is more brighter, this picture is more darker, but I think that this picture is also much better than this. But as we can see, I take photograph only from flowers, but when you take photo, for example, of some man or woman or some animal, it's practically same. But that is my opinion. And also we have more modes. This mode is for flowers. It automatically adjusts if we take photo of animal, of house, of some food, of some flowers, of some and so on. So it automatically adjusts for what we take picture of. And this is all for me. Sorry for my bad English. I think that everyone can understand me. I am still on beginning it will be better from time to time.